How to cite a newspaper article on the open web, APA 7th edition. This type of citation is used when citing one specific news article stored digitally on the open web as opposed to a database. Here is what a sample citation looks like. Keep in mind the citation format will vary slightly based on the source's information. Bond, M, period, 2021, June 21st, in parentheses, period. Germantown House designated historic is about to be demolished, period. The Philadelphia Inquirer, in italics, period. https://www.inquirer.com/real-estate/philadelphia-register-historic-place-demolition-pearson-house-20210621.html hyperlinked. To cite a newspaper article from the open web, you will need the author's name, the date of the article's publication, the complete title of the article, including a subtitle if applicable, the title of the periodical, the page number of the article, the URL of the web page where the article is stored. What to do if missing information for the citation. If the author is unknown, move the title of the article before the date. If the date is unknown, use the term N period D period in the date parentheses. If there is no page number, then omit this information from the citation. How to format the author's name for the citation. The author's name is written as last name, first initial period, middle initial if applicable, period. Write the author's name as the author would write the name, capitalizing the first letter of the last name and any initials. Include any suffix such as junior or the third after the initials. Do not include any earned title such as PhD or Reverend. For example, the name in the sample citation is written as Bond, M, period. How to format the date for the citation. Newspaper articles are typically daily publications, so include the entire date of publication in year, month, day order. Place a comma between the year and month. Spell out the entire month. APA 7th edition also accepts only the year of publication. Place the date in parentheses. Follow the parentheses with a period. For example, adding the date to the sample citation will be written as 2021, June 21st in parentheses, period. How to format the article title for the citation. Article titles use sentence case, so capitalize only the first word of the title, first word of the subtitle if applicable, any proper nouns, and any acronyms. Article titles are not placed in quotation marks on the references page. Article titles are written in normal font style. If the article has a subtitle, place a colon between the primary title and subtitle. Follow the article title with a period unless it ends with another punctuation mark. For example, adding the article title to the sample citation will be written as Germantown House designated historic is about to be demolished, period. How to format the periodical name for the citation. Periodical titles are written in title case. Capitalize the first word of the periodical's name, any proper nouns, and any major words longer than 3 letters. Italicize the periodical's name. Follow the title with a comma if the article has a page number. If the article has no page number, place a period after the title. For example, adding the periodical's name to the sample citation will be written as the Philadelphia Inquirer in italics, period. How to format the page number for the citation. Write the page number numerically after the periodical's title. Do not place a P period before the page number. If the article has a section identifier, A, B, etc., place it before the number. If the article is a single page, write the number once. If the article has multiple consecutive pages, place a hyphen between the first and last page number. If the article has multiple non-consecutive pages, place an addition sign after the first page number. Follow the page number with a period. For example, adding the page number to the sample citation will be written as, this source has no page number, so it is omitted from the citation. How to format the URL for the citation. Write the entire URL for the specific web page where the article is located. Precede the URL with the term https://www. It is accepted for auto formatting to create line breaks or move the URL to its own line, as long as hanging indent formatting is preserved. Hyperlink the URL if the article can be actively accessed by the reader. For example, adding the URL to the sample citation will be written as https://www.inquirer.com/real-estate/filadadelphia-register-historic-places-demolition-pearson-house-20210621.html hyperlinked. Formatting on the references page. Alphabetize the source based on the first word of the citation, author's last name, or first word of article title. If citing with an article title for an unknown author, use the first word that is not an article, a, an, or the. Place all citations longer than one line in hanging indent format, first line flush to the left-hand margin and all subsequent lines indented by one full tab. Double space the entire references page and do not add additional spaces between citations. This concludes how to cite a newspaper article on the open web.